Transforming healthcare, the benefits of an ERP system. In today's rapidly changing healthcare landscape, efficiency and effectiveness are paramount. One way to achieve these goals is through the implementation of an enterprise resource planning, or ERP system. Let's explore the key benefits of adopting an ERP system in healthcare. Streamlined operations. An ERP system centralizes data, providing healthcare providers with a holistic view of operations. This integration streamlines processes such as patient scheduling, billing, and inventory management. By reducing redundant tasks, staff can focus more on patient care rather than paperwork. Improved data management. Handling sensitive medical data requires precision and security. An ERP system enhances data accuracy and compliance with regulations like HIPAA. Centralized record keeping reduces errors, ensuring that patient information is readily accessible and protected. Enhanced financial management. With an ERP system, healthcare organizations can gain better insights into their financial health. Automated billing and reporting tools can track expenses and revenue flow. This transparency helps in making informed budgetary decisions, leading to improved financial sustainability. Better patient care. An integrated ERP system fosters improved communication among departments. This means quicker access to patient records, diagnostic results, and treatment plans. Ultimately, this leads to more informed decision-making, enhancing the overall quality of patient care. Scalability and flexibility. Healthcare needs are constantly evolving. An ERP system can scale as your organization grows, easily adapting to new regulations, technology trends, and patient care models. This flexibility is essential for long-term success in the industry. In conclusion, implementing an ERP system can significantly transform healthcare operations, yielding benefits from improved efficiency to enhanced patient care. Want to learn more? Visit our website, appsbaba.cloud.